Charity 13. In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 250, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised some easy righteous deeds to perform. The first righteous deed is to help someone in their specific trade, according to one's means. For example, a Muslim can support someone in their profession by paying for their further education or any fees connected to their profession. Helping in this way is in fact a great way of supporting an entire family, as helping a person who earns to support their family is indirectly supporting the family, even though it is far cheaper and easier than actually supporting the entire family. In addition, the donor will continue to gain reward even after their death, as long as the person is benefiting from the donor's support while working in their trade. The next thing mentioned in the main narration under discussion is that a Muslim should help someone who does not have a profession. This can include advising them on the best thing to do in order to obtain lawful wealth, paying for their education, or encouraging business owners to hire them. This includes anything which aids this type of person to obtain lawful provision, so that they can fulfill their needs and the needs of their dependents. This is an important good deed, as the one who does not have a lawful occupation is more likely to seek wealth through unlawful means, such as crimes. Helping people to obtain a lawful profession, therefore, reduces crimes and poverty within society. This benefits everyone within the society. The final thing mentioned in the main narration under discussion, which all Muslims are capable of doing, is keeping their harm away from others, as this is an act of charity to oneself, as it saves them from punishment. In fact, keeping one's verbal and physical harm away from the self and possessions of others is the very definition of a true Muslim and believer. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunnah and Nasai, number 4998. It includes treating others in the same way one desires others to treat them. Simply put, the one who leaves others in peace will be granted peace and reward. The Muslim who adds to this behavior by benefiting others according to their means, even if it is only a good word of encouragement, will gain reward on top of reward, and this leads to success in both worlds. Finally, keeping one's harm away from others is important, as justice will be established on Judgment Day. The one who wronged others will be forced to hand over their good deeds to those who they wronged, and if necessary, they will take the sins of those they wronged. This may well cause them to be hurled into hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.